All right. Let's talk about, bro, what is it? 6% of your deal flow is referrals of you
Yeah,
being an
at least.
amazing
Yeah.
human.
Yep. Yeah. And I think it goes back to what, like, that starting point, right? When there was not help from a community. It's so funny, dude. Like, you come to a meetup that I have, or Dean's meetup or whatever, and you just see the vibe that's there in the room, bro. Like, where
Oh, yeah.
everybody's hugging each other, high fiving each other, like happy to see each other, like genuinely willing to help other people, right? And you, me, guys like Dean, like, I really felt like we established that here in
Oh,
this
yeah.
market, dude. And one of the books that is been the one that I've gifted the most, and we did this when I was with Clayson team, was we would gift it to all of our clients, was The Go Giver, dude. And just living that thought process out from that book, and realizing that if you can just learn to give with no strings attached, and you realize that we live in a world where opportunities are abundant, and if you help somebody, they're not taking an opportunity off your plate.
Never.
It's actually the momentum that you both get actually exponentially get you both closer, propel you both closer to the goals that you're achieving. And it's just been proven to me over and over and over again that that's how the universe works, man. And I don't need any more proof. So I've bought in completely, and then it happens faster, right? It's when you get to that stage, right, where you're not skeptical and you're not like one foot in, one foot out, where, it starts to move slow at the beginning. But yeah, dude, I think for me, and I don't give because I expect people to bring me deals, bro. And I know that you know that, right? Like, I don't do the meetups or like answer DMs or give my time to people because I expect them to give me something in return. I genuinely don't care about that, dude, right? Like, I genuinely care about how can I help you? You know what I'm saying? And how can we do it in a way where I can provide value to you? And if that leads to another opportunity where our businesses overlap in the future, then great. And if it doesn't, then that's okay too. I'm going to be fine. You know what I'm saying? So for me, it doesn't matter. I genuinely get a good feeling out of seeing other people be successful. And that's one of the things that I want to really tap into some more with some of the stuff that I'm doing with this new brokerage that I'm at, and just what I've learned over the years, like seeing people that have worked with me or done deals with me, seeing their whole lives change, right? The trajectory of their life and business change, like a Scotty or a Kate or a Bailey or a Joe, or these people that I've worked with, to see them go be successful. Dude, that's such a great feeling, man. And I want to figure out how to do that on a larger scale, how to impact more people, man. You know what I mean?